This is Mike Sullivan. I'm a former IRS agent and teaching instructor. Welcome to my YouTube station. I worked at IRS for 10 long years, and I've been in private practice for 42 years. And you should use my experience at IRS, my education that I received there, and my experience for your benefit. I'm available for representation if you want. I've been on the national news many times. I wrote a book, IRS Settlements, blah, blah, blah. But what I want to do to you is teach you how to resolve your own IRS tax debt problem. The reason you should listen to me is I was the IRS. That really separates me from a lot of other people. Anyway, there's a lot of good people out there, by the way. I should tell. A lot of bad people, a lot of good people. So basically, if you have an IRS tax debt problem, you need to resolve your problem. And the first two things an agent will ask, or IRS will ask, or should ask, is have you fixed the problem? Most of the people looking to me are self-employed. You've got to start making estimate payments. I recommend you do that monthly. If not, the problem is going to get out of control. I make monthly payments. I just have money taken out of my bank once a month. I send it to IRS. I don't worry about it. I have to do it that way because I don't want to write that check or go online and make that payment. It just comes out. It's what I do. That's what I recommend you do if you're self-employed. The second is that you must make sure all your tax returns are filed. That's where IRS draws a line in the sand. Make sure all your tax deposits are made, keep current so you don't incur more debt, stop the problem, file all returns. Now, how do you work with the back problem? Well, believe it or not, 80% of people that owe IRS debts under $50,000. Many of you can go to IRS.gov and make your own payment plan online. Now, those are streamlined payments where you can pay monthly payments. If not, you're going to have to call IRS, give them your financial statement, or have to dig into your information, and they'll determine what payment plan is really best for you. So when you call IRS, what is IRS going to do? IRS is going to ask the two questions I just previously asked you. They're going to look at that financial statement, and they're going to make one of three decisions. Only three. You're either currently non-collectible, hardship, you can't pay the debt, you can make a payment plan with IRS, or you can file for an offer and compromise. They're not going to go through the offer and compromise with you. They're just going to say, you sound like a candidate. You can go onto the IRS online portal yourself if you have a small debt, and you can see if you're eligible for the offer and compromise. IRS also has a pre-qualifier tool online. You can check to see if you're eligible. The problem in doing that, you don't know all the pro tricks that we use to go ahead and solve your problem and get you the best result. But if you want to do it on your own, like your Home Depot says, it's not a problem. You can try it, but just understand the IRS financial statement, the 433F at the service center, the 433A that the revenue officer uses are solely going to determine the outcome of your case. That's what you have to know. 3 ways IRS closes cases, and that's it. Call me if you need me. I give you the information you need to move forward. Do it cautiously, get the knowledge, and then call IRS and keep your fingers crossed. Give me a subscription. Thank you so much for listening.